Hello and welcome back to One for Igbo podcast. Today, we have something special in store for you. If you're planning a trip to Igbo-speaking regions in Nigeria, this is the episode for you. We are going to dive into the essential Igbo phrases every traveler should learn. Before we get started, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. The Igbo are one of the Nigerian's largest ethnic groups, and their language, also called Igbo, is spoken by millions across the world, across the country. Learning a few key phrases will not only help you navigate your way through conversations, but also show respect and genuine interest in the local culture. So, let's jump right in with our first phrase. Number 1, no. No means hello or hi. It's a simple yet powerful greeting that will instantly make connections with locals easier during your travels. When approaching someone or entering a public space like a shop, practice saying no with a warm smile. It will open doors for vibrant interactions. Phrase 2, kedo. Kedo translates to how are you? This versatile phrase allows you to strike up conversations and demonstrate an interest in others' well-being. To ask someone how they are doing, say kedo while looking them directly into the eyes. Eye contact signifies sincerity. Phrase 3, dalo. Dalo means thank you. Expressing gratitude is always important when interacting with locals or receiving assistance while exploring new places. A heartfelt dalo goes a long way towards fostering goodwill and building positive relationships on your journey. So remember to say dalo whenever someone helps you or provides a service. Phrase number 4. This particular one is said in different dialects. There's one that says "Kanyi gosi" or "Kanyi po" or "Kanyi jebe." This means let's go. This phrase will come in handy when you are ready to move on from a place, whether it's exploring the markets or embarking on an adventure in nature. Use this phrase to invite your travel companions or guide to join you, and be prepared for exciting experiences ahead. Ngwa, kanyi po. Okay, now that we've covered some basics, let's move on to more specific phrases that can assist travelers during their journey through Igbo-speaking regions. Phrase number 5, Inmm. Inmm is an endearing term used to refer to a loved one or friend. It means my own. Igbo culture values close relationships and kinships. So, incorporating Inmm into conversations can help create deeper connections with locals, a true reflection of Igbo hospitality. Phrase number 6, bia. Bia means come. When exploring local markets or inviting someone to join you, use this phrase as an inclusive gesture. It shows respect and consideration for others' presence and encourages them to participate in whatever experience lies ahead. Phrase number 7, Kachifo. Kachifo is a great phrase to use when you want to retire for the day. It's just like saying good night. Phrase number 8, Ezigbo Nkem. Ezigbo Nkem is a phrase of endearment that means good friend in Igbo. Use it to express appreciation for the friends you've made or others who have shown kindness along your journey. Igbo people are known for their warm hospitality, so embracing this phrase will make you feel like part of the community. Alrighty, we are halfway through our essential Igbo phrases. Let's recap what we've learned so far. No, which means hello. Kedo, how are you? Dalo, thank you. Kanyi gosi or kanyi po, let's go. Nkem, my own. Bia, come. Kachifo, good night. Ezigbo Nkem, good friend. Now, let's move on to the next set. Phrase number 9, Ndo. Ndo means sorry. This is an important phrase because at some point during your travels, things might not go exactly as planned. Lost directions, missed connections, and unforeseen mishaps can happen. By saying Ndo, you show empathy and apologize sincerely when necessary. Phrase number 10, Onye na-elekọta ebe a. Onye na-elekọta ebe a literally translates to who is in charge here. This question helps determine who to approach when seeking assistance or making inquiries about local attractions or events. Remember, asking politely and respectfully will most likely yield helpful responses. Phrase number 11, Ebee ka mposi dị. Ebee ka mposi dị means where is the restroom? This phrase might just save you in moments of urgency. Traveling can be unpredictable, and when nature calls, knowing how to ask for a restroom can make a huge difference. Phrase number 12, Kedu aha gị. Kedu aha gị translates to what is your name? Learning names during your travels allows for more personal connections and shows respect for the culture by acknowledging individuals directly. Feel free to use this phrase when making new acquaintances. It will surely make conversations more engaging. Wow, you've made it this far. Congratulations. You should now have a solid foundation of key Igbo phrases that will undoubtedly enhance your travel experience through Nigeria. Let's recap our final set of phrases. Ndo, which means sorry. Onye na-elekọta ebe a, who is in charge of here? Ebee ka mposi dị, where is the restroom? Kedu aha gị, what is your name? Well, there you have it. Our guide to essential Igbo phrases every traveler should learn. Familiarizing yourself with these phrases will help you connect with locals, show respect for their language and culture, and create unforgettable experiences during your journey. Remember, language barriers are bridges waiting to be crossed. So don't hesitate to embrace them as part of your adventure. That's all we have time for today, folks. Safe travels, and until next time, I ga-afụkwa ọzọ na channel a. Ọ bụ na ị ka subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ anyị ga-afụ. Bye bye.